Yeah, this is Mike from MrLED. We bring the rental product. So we call it this product spider series. It can be used for the hanging up installation and also for the standard installation. We can make different shape of the LED screen used for the stage background. For this one, we make the design just like it's a cross LED screen. Because of the design of the backside lock, the lock is very easy for the fixing. This product now hot sale for the United States market and the European market. It's for high-end customers. If you need more information, please go to our website, mrled.cn. Thank you.